Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Awesome. So, I do a lot of YouTube. Nice to meet you, JacobViral. Yeah, man, I do a lot. My name's Jacob.
I thought it was, but I wasn't sure. I was like, yeah, I've seen this cat before.
For your professional interest. So what's your name and what's in here, man? Go for it.
I'm Jonathan Moss. I'm from Dinwiddie County. I'm running CA's. Concrete, baby.
Nice. You installed this?
Yep, me and a buddy of mine.
Okay. Wow. And those are really small footprint amps.
Yeah, man.
So
high power.
What's the equipment in here?
I have three CA10s running on 3000 and a 2000K CA amps.
Okay.
DSP. I got 8 6s in the doors, 4 tweeters in each door. Excuse the panel, I ain't get to wrap them.
It's okay. Work in progress. Is there a way I can see the back?
Just give me your hand, let's walk on the sand, spend a couple of grand. Approaching your body with sex appeal. On the real man, you can just chill. I'm talking about back action, satisfaction, guarantee. Whiplashes on your back.
Who built this box? It looks really good.
My boy Era did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Is there a port?
Yeah, it's put on the side.
Okay. Is there a way I can see it? I don't want to move your stuff, but. Nice.
man, you the brain dick stand at attention. You salute and at ease. I'm the truth, you agree. I'm a god in the streets. I'm a don, I'm a king. These conversations stay between you and me. Sexual injustice you make, I'm inspired. You sick with that brush, can't wait to apply it. You really won't rise to the fate. That knowledge while lifting that weight, I was thinking about you. Look in my eyes while you sit up on top. Get your hands in my chest while you riding and rocking. I grip on your body. Come on that blogger, yeah.
Trent be wildin' with it. Check on your man, I heard he got hit in his head. But he on niggas, he ain't days. How you let a nigga die for you? You just got out the fence. Sneaking piece back for him more like Lil Bro won't come out and spit. I don't let him play with me. I'm just waiting on my chance. If Fernie say a nigga dead, then a nigga dead. But bro, you can't hop in here, this bitch a hot couch. They like bro, it's Nook, not a smirk. Nigga, you can't play no games, you play with other niggas, nah. You ain't from my block if you don't know Tasty, Buddha, and Chops. Man, what? Tripping on with my niggas like a group home. I ain't getting mad, I'm tryna rob who call my boo phone. Bitch, I'm from the trench, you gotta fuck me to my new song. Oh, miss your dead ops. If you really did, you ain't gon' see it, cause the fans hot. Oh, I told you if I want his head, I want no leg shot. Breakfast time, they get on niggas early, want they eggs hot. Yeah. I think he's still breathing. Lebo niggas late at night, she think I'm still cheating. Headshot for every head in his head, but he almost died, so I can say his niggas he ain't dead. How you let a nigga die for you who just got out the fence? Sneaking pics back for him more like Lil Bro won't come out and speak. So he don't count, I'm still a young teen. I got hoes, I call my sisters, fuck her off the hoes dead.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man. Nice to meet you. I get one chance, so I had to take that moment, so I appreciate it.